sceneries. Do you know what scenery it is? Yes! It's spring! I love spring! Sunshine bright! Sunshine bright! How I love the warm flowers that the blue! How I love our sight! Oh, the weather is changing! So sweaty! So sunny! I feel hot! I want some juice! I have an idea! Let's use my magic! Lava green! Choo! Wow! I'm wearing gardening clothes! I have sunglasses! I have hat! And I have a juice! This is summer season! It's drink lot of water in summer! Have you seen the season now? Yes! Abracadabra giddy giddy choo! Oh look! The clouds are coming! It is going to rain! This is monsoon season! Say single I love plain day. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh don't you, raindrop, I wet too, so are you. Clouds are gone, leaves are falling. This autumn season, leaves are falling one by one. Summer will soon be gone. Yellow, orange, brown and green, colors autumn will be seen. Wind, rain, and sunshine too. This is good now for me and you. Oh, I'm feeling good. You see the snowfall? I am very warm clothes. I have gloves. I wear my shoes. I have a woolen cap and this jacket. I see to be snow. Snowflakes, snowflakes, la la la. Snowflakes, snowflakes.